Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the light switch, the light selector switch, right up here. I've had many people ask, how do I get this switch to work? Well, there's a jumper right behind the headlight, and a lot of people say you have to use tools and take the headlight out and all that stuff. Well, you do not. It is very simple to get to, very, very easy. All you do is turn your handlebars all the way to this side here. There's a little black insulator here. Get a little closer here so you can see. Alright. There we are. There's a little area inside here. Alright. If you open that back, you will see a red connector. If you grab that red connector and pull it right here, there is your jumper. That simple. Disconnect your jumper from one end and the other. That's it right there. There's your part number. That is her. Then you just connect the two red connectors together. It's a little tight in there, but it's simple to do. Tuck everything back in, cover it up with your little waterproof little sheath here, and that's all there is to it. After you do that, then your lights will work like so. That's all there is to it, guys. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, and of course, while you're here, you might as well subscribe. Thanks.